papermate handwriting pencil designed for kids. Oh, and we found squishies.
Oh my god, it's a dino!
Oh, they have giant tubs of flarp. I've never seen flarp that big.
Look at the face!
Oh, that's so cute.
Hey guys, it's Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today I am at Walgreens to see what back to school items they have. And I believe this is the 6th day of the back to school shopping.
No, it's the 5th day.
Uh-oh. It's the 5th day.
Day 5, guys. We got one more day before the big haul.
Oh, here's the back to school stuff.
All right, here's the back to school section.
A bunch of scotch tape and a sale with card. Buy one for $4.49, get one 50% off.
Okay, so those are not that cheap. They have scissors.
They got this big post-it note where you have like a checklist.
I need that big post-it note.
Yeah, this looks helpful.
That's my shopping list note. Okay.
They have little flags.
There's a bunch of different post-it notes here.
Post-it.
They have the cube again.
The black cube.
Yep.
Oh.
It's a post-it calendar.
Oh. That's cool. Oh yeah, they have the tape here. I've got them from, I got these from Freddy's.
You got those at Fred Meyer's. They were like $1. Same price here. 99 cents here. And then...
Whoa, what is this?
It's a highlighter.
So
39
small.
cents highlighter.
Oh, it smells so it like fits better. And
Yeah, and then you just, it doesn't take so much space. It's like this, see?
And
this is the regular highlighters. And these are the tiny highlighters. These are 39 cents. That's not bad if you want a couple. If you want a couple. And they have pencils here. They have the regular number 2 pencils. Ticonderoga pencils here. And then they have these these super awesome, as we've mentioned a few times before, Harmony's favorite mechanical pencils.
A lot of scissors, pencil sharpeners, erasers, and then we've got a bunch of Crayola over here. Oh, they have glitter glue. Classic glitter glue.
And it's on sale.
Really?
It's $3.99. It's the last pack of the pretty glitter glue.
Get it?
I don't know. I mean, do you need it? I think you still have a bunch of glitter glue you haven't used at home.
Oh, right.
But that's really cute.
Bunch
Look
of
at how
glitter.
pretty all the colors are.
The purple one has like different colors.
I know, that's really pretty. And
Down
then
here we have some pencil holders. Oh my goodness. There's so much folders.
Yeah. And these are the 3-ring binders, dividers, right? The dividers. And then they have the plastic. Are these the plastic ones that you were looking for?
Yeah.
Oh, but they don't have the holes. They don't have the holes.
Oh,
Do these have holes? It's so weird that they don't have the ones with the holes. Oh, and we found squishies.
Oh my god, it's a dino.
Where have I seen that dino from? It's in a cartoon? Yeah, it does.
Like Barney.
Kind of looks like Barney.
Look at this unicorn cupcake.
Ooh.
And a dog.
Oh, that puppy's so cute.
And a tiny milk carton. This one's so small.
Yeah, this is cute.
Rubber ducky.
There's a mini cake that you wanted last time, but
There's a panda. Oh, it's a penguin. Yeah, there's a panda right there.
Oh, but the panda's gone.
Oh.
So how much are these? These are
Mini cake.
$5.99. Yeah, that was the mini cake you wanted last time, but they
Yeah.
didn't have a new one. So cute.
Look at this.
Oh, wow. So these are all $5.99, and here are the ones that they have here at this Walgreens. I mean, the unicorn is a little bit different. Oh, they have more back there?
They have a Barney dinosaur.
So there's more on the back side. So let me move this box. Oh, there's more back there too. There's a few boxes. Why don't you flip this box around? Flip this box around to us so we can see it. There we go. So
just got some more rubber duckies.
Nothing new in here?
No.
What about that 3-layered cupcake?
No, I don't. Oh, yeah.
What is that?
Whoa. That's a face.
That one's cute.
And then they also have these ones over here.
These are $5.99. And then these are
$2.99.
$2.99 version of
They're
the
like the smaller version. Whoa. Some are really, really soft.
Yeah, that one's super slow rising.
Whoa, Mom.
It's still rising.
Oh, look at this. So cute.
Is that a sheep or a llama?
I think it's a ram. It's satisfying.
Oh yeah, these are so slow. Remember the first time we came for these kind of squishies? They were not slow rising.
Yeah, not that surprising. We've got like these little puffer fishes.
Those are cute.
Yeah. Macaroon. Or macaron. It's a pig.
That's so cute.
This is a macaron or a macaron.
What else do they have?
I think that's just it.
Oh, look at this. So they have a lot of squishies here at Walgreens, guys. New ones. Or at least they're new to us. We haven't seen them. Are you getting it for Emily?
Yeah. And I like the unicorn.
So what are you going to get for yourself?
Milk carton.
Milk carton again?
Yeah, so cute. Look at it. Look at the face.
You're not going to get the little mini cake? One or the other.
Ow.
One or the other. On the mini cake or the milk carton?
Ducky.
Ducky? No, not the ducky.
But look at his face.
He's too like, no, it's too plain. Something unique. Like that, like the cake.
Yeah, let's get this.
The cupcake. Oh, and there's more school supply stuff.
Sharpie.
I like how they sell like individual Sharpies instead of like all in a pack. And then you can just buy the color that you need.
Gel pens. Oh, this is the Expo ink. The new ink.
Is that the one?
This is the new one I was talking about.
It has the indicator.
Yeah.
So you know when you're about to run out. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
So then you'll know when to go buy new ones. So, and they have this Papermate handwriting pencil designed for kids. So it's supposed to like make them have better handwriting. We need that for Paxton. Oops. Can you put that gel pens? Here, all the different gel pens. And they have some pencils that are in different colors.
Ooh.
Look at that.
That's cool.
Yeah, the wood color is all different. Oh, that's an interesting
Whoa.
one. Ooh, those are pencils? Those are mechanical pencils?
Look how big that eraser
that might be your
is.
new favorite. Look at how nice this this grip is on here.
Ooh.
And how you always get those big callus
Wait, is it a pen?
from writing like 10 pages.
Oh, it's a pencil.
Yeah, it's pencil.
Yes.
Wait, are you trying it?
Yes.
Okay, Harmony's gonna try that. Even though she has other favorites. There's this kind down here.
Whoa. That one
I think this one looks better.
Yeah, that one.
So then on this wall they have some summer toys.
Oh my goodness. Squishables. Squeezables.
So they have some squishies. There's a couple of squishies here. Oh, they have giant tubs of flarp. I've never seen flarp that big. Have you ever seen a big flarpit? Like
nope.
A flarpit, I call it. Flarpit. That's a big tub of flarp.
Make a noise button.
They have this LOL. See, this is the regular size flarp.
Oh my.
See?
Whoa.
That's a giant flarp.
This is $2.99.
Oh, yeah.
That is
$2.49. What?
Wait a minute.
For a pound?
Wait, is that in the right place?
It's on sale. See,
Shall
look,
we
it says
try
$5.99. Do you
Should
like
we try
flarp?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I want to try it. It's really cheap.
Yeah, well, they have different colors too. They have purple. Is that pink or purple?
Pink.
Okay, so Harmony's gonna get the pink flarp. Anything?
It's a kangaroo with a baby kangaroo in the pouch. They have some Tsum Tsums. And these teeny TYs.
Teeny TYs. Aww, teeny. They just like Tsum Tsums.
Oh, they have more school supplies over here.
Yep, they've got a little bit more back here. See, look at the Elmer's glue here at Walgreens. This is $2.29. We got it for 85 cents at Fred Meyer's because right now, for the back to school sale, it's $1 each at Fred Meyer's. And then I got a discount. I got a 15% discount there. So it was only 85 cents for us. We're gonna go back and probably buy 2 more dozens.
It's a 4x4.
Is that the one Paxton got?
No, he got a
3x3. Ooh, do you think
this one?
he would love that 4x4?
He got that one.
Paxton's in this Rubik's Cube stage, and he's trying to solve, like, he's really good with solving the 2x2. He's trying to solve the 3x3 with his eyes closed.
Take the 4x4 challenge. If you've beaten the 3x3 cube, it's time to step up to the next level. Oh, did you get it?
I'm not sure he's ready for it. There's lots of Crayolas back here. What are these? Oh, it's just paint. Okay.
Oh, it's paint, like for kids.
And then there's giant tubs of Crayola crayons. 120 crayons. Did you ever be able to use all that?
No.
Probably at one point you were. What is this?
Yeah, I guess on really big projects. It's like a poster making kit.
Oh wow.
They've got the paint already and like this.
Like to make a big poster for like a garage sale?
Yeah, probably. So by the front they also have more squishies.
So by the front register we found a bunch more squishies that we have not seen before. They have a ton of these $2.99, like seriously 3 boxes back here. The strawberry, oh my goodness.
So soft.
Are those, oh these are gonna be $9.99. These are a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
Or a lot bigger, I should say.
A lot bigger.
Oh wow, look how slow that one is.
They have a football.
Cupcake.
They have the football. And here's the penguin. And they have this mooncake?
I don't know what it is. A pancake?
I guess, a pancake.
Stack of pancakes.
It's kind of defected. Someone took it out.
Yeah. Oh, look at the donut.
Oh,
look at the donut in the other box.
It has a crown on it. Look at the face.
Oh, that's so cute. That's the one you should get. Instead of your cupcake, you get a donut. Because I've not seen that donut ever.
Here's some more.
Oops. And then, let's see what else they have. What is this? That's the apple. And slice of cake. That's the one. And then here's a bigger size cake.
Is it chocolate?
So I really like the donut and the strawberry.
Yeah.
Those are probably my favorite.
The strawberry's face.
Which one's your favorite?
I like the donut. It was so
The
cute.
donut's cute. And the cupcakes are really cute.
Mm-hmm.
The new cupcakes are super cute.
More squishies up here. I think we already showed all of these.
Yeah.
Except for there's a turtle in this one.
Yeah.
And this squishy here.
So here are all the ones that you can actually get from these. And then, let's see if they show you which ones. Oh yeah, this is the same box as the ones back there.
Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the back to school vlog. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to do in the next video. Bye!